Hello guys! Welcome back again to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon para lagi kayong updated sa mga new upload ko. So for today video vlog guys, mag-unbox na naman po tayo na isang product mula sa sponsor guys. So ito yung box, siyempre Amazon Prime. Ayan yung aking sponsor guys, isa siyang Amazon seller. So yan guys, at ito yung ating i-unbox for today. So, dyan lang kayo guys. Huwag nyo akong iwanan. Samahan nyo akong mag-unbox ng box na ito. So, let's start! Yan. So, start na tayo guys. Meron akong scissor dito. Ayan yung aking malaking scissor. So, unbox na natin ito. So, yung sponsor ko guys, nag-repeat siya. Kung naalala nyo guys, nag-unbox din ako nung tatlong products na in-unbox ko before. So, same din to guys. Siya din yung sponsor ng free products na ito guys. So, tingnan natin. Wow! So, ito na siya guys. Ayan siya. Nakikita niyo siya guys. Meron siyang plastic dyan. Ayan siya guys. Isa siyang smart LED strip light or stripe light strip siguro yan. Ayan siya guys. So, ano siya? Butter. So, it's sponsored by Butter. So, tama ba? Butter or Butter. So, ayan ganyan kanilang brand guys. So, meron siyang 2 pieces model ALR03. So, Alexa, Wi-Fi, music, RGB, and app support. Wow! Ang ganda nito guys. Oh! So, tingnan natin yung loob. Ayan yung kanyang box. Ayan yung kanyang salikuran guys. Meron siya dito, warning, do not immerse in water, do not immerse in fat. Children under the age of 16 should use this product under adult supervision. So, what's included in the box guys, it has 2 LED light bar and then 1 user manual and 1 power. So, this was included in the box. So, let's see guys. So, ito siya guys. Buksan na natin kung ano yung itsura sa loob. Ayan siya guys. So, meron siya nito. Siguro ito yung remote. Ito yung remote para sa lights. Ito yung user manual. Power adapter. Ito siya guys, dalawa. Wow. Ayan siya. So, tingnan natin guys ha. First time ko nakakita nito guys eh. So, alam ko lang yung disco light guys. Hindi ko alam ito. So, tingnan natin siya guys. Ito meron siya ditong cable. So, tingnan natin sa manual. Kung ano itong mga ito. Meron siyang button dito guys. So, yung cable siya. Tingnan natin yung user manual kung ano yung mga yan. So, introduction. So, ito nga yung remote niya guys. So, pwede siyang i-pair sa ano guys, sa Alexa, sa Google Assistant, at saka sa iOS and Android. Pwede siya sa cellphone. Pwede mo siya i-pair sa cellphone para gawing clicker kunwari yung cellphone. So, here guys, the power adapter. So, I need to plug it later. So, we'll try to use this one guys. So, I already connected it with this together. So, This one, guys, will connect it to the power supply. There, like that. So, let's try, guys. Let's unplug this one. So this is the clicker. This work. So it has the on and off button here. And then there's a color here. Maybe we'll try this one. So I will plug it.
Yes, it's for Christmas. So let it.
Look at that, guys. Can you see it, guys? It has red light. Let's try to use the
Green light.
let's try to use the clicker. How this one work? Like a light. Okay. Let's see. Same color, guys. You can see red. All the lights in the room are turned off. So let's try this LED strip lights. I will turn it on now. Wow, look at that, guys. So bright. I like it. So here it has three colors. Has red, blue, and green. Oh no, it's four color: red, green, blue, and white. There, and then on the red line it has a orange, light orange also, and then yellow. So it has different colors, guys. Here on the clickers you can see. Later I will show it to you. So let's try the red color. So that's the red color. That's the orange one. Light orange there. So another light orange, but this one is different. So this is the yellow one. So it's yellow. Then let's try the green one. So that's the green one. It has light green there. So another color, and then the dark green. So let's try the blue one. There, the light. So this is the other color, purple. Another color, and the last color for this blue one. So there. So now let's see the white color. So that's the white color, guys. So it has 4 modes. Let's try the flash mode. So that's the flash mode. Let's try it now. Wow, so many colors. Okay. So it's flashing. Now let's try the strobe one. So this is the strobe mode effect. Wow, this is amazing. There. Let's try the fade mode. So this is the fade mode effects. And now the last one is the smooth effect. So that's the smooth effects. Wow, I like the smooth effects, guys. Look at that. It's like a Christmas light. Look at that. It turned into different colors, like a rainbow something. See, it's purple. It's turning to purple. So this LED strip lights is perfect for your party, for any occasions, perfect for your kitchen, for your bars, for your rooms. Yeah, you can put this in your ceiling, and then you can use this. You can also put this on your TV. Yeah, on your TV, guys. So it's perfect. So you can use this also as a Christmas lights. You can see that one because it has the different colors. And I don't think if it says it has music. So maybe we need to connect this one to other phone. So let's see. Let's try the white button. So that's the one. So I'm clicking this one now. Just that. So it's turning different colors. So you can use this white button here and your phone or your clicker and the Alexa Google if you have one. I highly recommended this one, guys. It's perfect for your party or any occasions, perfect for your room, for your bar, for your kitchen, for your TV. You can also put this on your TV, guys. And then, so guys, that's all for today. If you wish to purchase this smart LED street lights, guys, you can check the description later for the Amazon link. So